it's Riley from Science Girl. So today we're going to make a tea bag fly. I'm going to call this tea rockets. So what you need is, of course, a little bag of tea. I used organic. I'm not sure if it's going to affect it. Also, I recommend 2 plates and a lighter. Now, if you're a kid, get an adult's help. We don't need anyone getting burned. So we already have one here. So now we're just going to pop this open. It is a little bit of a struggle, so sorry, just speed it up if needed. This thing is a pain. There we go. It'd be great if I could grab it. There we go. Okay, so now very carefully I'm going to empty this. It's got now both ends here. Goodness. So now you just need to get all of the tea out just to be safe. There we go. So now you're going to kind of make it in a circle without ripping it. If you rip it, you're going to have to start over because that's a key part to this. So there we go. Okay, let's see the tea bags fly. That is if I can get this to light. Intense heat. And here they come. Woo! So, let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of the video. Like and subscribe. Leave your name in the comments below for a shout out. Hope you enjoyed this video, but for now, this is Science Girl.